G'day guys, Dean here from Davimac. Just standing in front of a machine we've recently refurbed for a client of ours. The client, he sort of asked for an extension on his auger, so he put 500mm there. He's recently purchased some fuel bins that he wants a bit further reach with, so we've upgraded that auger by another 500mm. His capacity, originally could only get a box full and a half in this machine with his newer header. So we've increased that capacity now so he can fit 2 boxfuls in this machine. We've gone through, replaced the bearings, replaced the drive line, replaced some of the hydraulic lines, just generally giving her a bit of a birthday through the drive line section. We've sanded this machine back, we put new paintwork on. We've also put an Alice tarp. This machine's been out in the field for 25 years and it should easily last another 25 years now. Customer's pretty happy, and if you're after a machine refurb, please contact us at Davimac today.